The grandchild was looking at his grandma writing a letter. Suddenly, he asked,
Are you writing a story about what we've done?
Is it a story about me?
The grandma stopped writing, smiled, and said to her grandchild,
Indeed, I am writing about you. However, more important than the word is the pencil I am using. I hope you will be like this pencil when you grow up.
The child looked at the pencil curiously but could not see anything special.
But it's just like any other pencil I've ever seen.
It is all